metals falling right now? Why is gold and silver following? Well, it all comes down to the Fed. The Fed's holding rates up and talking tough on inflation, which keeps the dollar strong, and a strong dollar pushes gold down. Add to that this whole golden age of America story that Trump's out there selling every day, the booming jobs, the AI money flooding in, everyone hands their trust back to the dollar, for a while anyway. And gold is mostly just a measure of trust in the dollar, because the more trust in the dollar, the more people sell gold and hold dollars. So that's the machine keeping metals down right now. But this week, guys, the machine started making some very interesting noises. Chip stocks and microchip stocks just finished their worst week in more than a year. The whole index is down over 20% from its June peak, which is the official definition of a bear market, by the way. But Morgan Stanley still wants you to buy AI stocks while they buy your gold. Allegedly. SpaceX, the poster child for this entire AI mania, is down 44% from its peak. So it's down as much as silver, but silver went up 250% first. SpaceX didn't. So what's its excuse? SpaceX is now the poster child for the AI story collapsing, not the AI mania. It's trading at $125, while the banks who sold everyone the IPO still have their price targets at around $230. And remember, these banks are JP Morgan Stanley, and Goldman Sachs. They are buying gold while telling you to buy SpaceX and setting their targets for SpaceX at 230, and these absurd prices, allegedly. Well, no, they are setting their prices there. Anyway, but then you get this company called Morningstar. Who is Morningstar? It's one of the world's largest independent research firms. It's used widely by professional investors, highly regarded, and it has a great track record. Guess what they think the fair value of SpaceX is? I know I'm talking a lot about SpaceX. We'll move on in a second, but it's important. So what do they think the fair value of SpaceX is? Well, Morningstar, it's important to note, is not in the whole AI syndicate that's paid off to give you good news about SpaceX. So they value it at $63, the actual fair value. I mean, make of that what you will. Oh, and the other thing, the people building this whole AI boom are starting to behave quite strangely. The big 5 tech companies plan to spend $1.2 trillion on AI infrastructure this year. And Meta has already started trying to resell its AI infrastructure because it doesn't need it anymore. When even Meta's flogging off their infra and their compute power that they just bought, something is kind of off, right? You know, you just bought something and then you're desperately trying to sell it. Doesn't look good. Quick thing before you go, I've written a free guide called How to Retire Before 2036. It's a full 10-year plan for anyone starting late. Get out of debt, invest properly, retire on time. Free download, link in the description.